Hello students, today we are going to study writing skill, that is information transfer. So far we have studied many lessons and grammar and poem also. Therefore now as a change let us shift to writing skill, that is information of transfer, verbal to non-verbal. Before we solve the question, let us understand what is the meaning of information transfer. Information transfer, it is a writing skills. There are two types of information transfer. Suppose paragraph is given, then you have to convert it into a diagrammatical table or graphs. As per the question was asked, you have to draw either it is graph or diagrammatical table. Suppose if it is given in graph or pie diagram or any other forms, either it is tree diagram, graph, pie diagram or column wise, whatever it is, you have to convert it into a small paragraph. I'll explain once again. Information transfer means writing information or converting the picture into a information or information converting into a picture, vice versa. So information transfer, it is of two types. It is a writing skill. Either you have to write a paragraph or you have to convert the paragraph into diagrammatical table or graphs. If a graph and pie diagram is given or any other form, you have to convert into small paragraph. This is called as information transfer. Generally, information transfer should be short and simple. It should be short. It must be short and simple. I am sure that you have understood what is information transfer. Just go through the definition once again. Now, for your kind information, I have given here one question. Information transfer, non-verbal to verbal. You have to transfer the given information into a paragraph. Now this is the table is given like a flow chart, and you have to convert this chart into a paragraph. Heading they have given manufacture of paper. First column, one column I am reading. Raw materials, wood, grass, bamboo, rags. Second, cut into pieces, the above thing, raw materials. They have given what are the raw materials? Wood, grass, bamboo, rags. They are cut into pieces and immersed in water and soaked in water. Immersed in water and made into pulp. That means it is converted into liquid, pulp, mixture. Mixed with the lime for whitening, to give the color whitening, and pulp is boiled, the same pulp is boiled and passed through wire meshes. This is the procedure they have given how to produce paper out of raw materials. What are the raw materials? What are the procedures followed while making paper, while producing paper? Then once it is put through wire meshes, the pulp is sent through boiled pulp. It is passed through wire meshes. You get wet paper. Then the same material, wet paper, passed over heated roller and thin sheets of paper is made. Now here this is the what you call the procedure they have given how to make a paper, how to produce a paper. Got it? So this what you call the chart, this flow chart you have to write in a paragraph format. As I told you, there are two types of information transfer. One, they give paragraph, you have to write in, you have to draw in either a graph or a flow chart or tree diagram, whatever it is, whatever they ask in the question. Second form, picture is given or the graph is given or some what you call the tree diagram, whatever it is they give, and you have to convert into paragraph. Now the same flowchart, how to convert, I have given the answer here, you can go through it. Manufacture of paper, you have to give the title. Title is a must. Now it should be very short and simple. Now I will read the answer. Paper is chiefly used for writing. The raw material used in the manufacture of paper is wood, grass, bamboo and rags. There are several processes by which the raw material is converted into pulp. Most commonly, the raw material is cut into pieces and then immersed in water to convert it into pulp. The pulp is then mixed with lime for whitening it. This pulp and lime mixture is boiled at high pressure. The pulp is next passed through wire mashes. The paper sheets are removed from the mash while it is still wet. These wet sheets are passed over heated rollers to remove the water, and the paper is dried so as to make thin sheets of paper. Now here students, they have used simple language, they have used some new words, but own language is very important. Even the board asks, you have to write of your own words. Is it clear? You can add something. Don't write only that thing and convert into paragraph. You have to add and write in a paragraph. In a paragraph format, you have to write in a paragraph. Got it? So after reading this, I am sure that you will understand how to write transformation or information transfer. Okay. Now second one I have given here, read the following passage and complete the table. I have given here the question, you have to read this question. This question is given for the practice. I am not going to read here. You have to read and understand properly. Then I have given here columns. For example, state, already the state is written, official language, dialects, spoken / without script, whatever it is. They have asked in this box, in this chart, you have to read and write. Got it? So I have given you paragraph converting into writing in the box, and second, the picture is converted into a paragraph. So these two types I have already given here. Then you have to write it in your notebook properly, dear students. More we are going to study for the practice tomorrow. I am going to give in the next video, we are going to have the questions to solve. Is it clear? If any doubt, you can ask me or you can write down in the notebook, and I am ready to solve. I am ready to help you anytime. Thank you, dear students. But very important thing, attend online lecture and take the knowledge. Don't waste your time. Take care of your health and study well. Be fit and fine. See you soon. Thank you for the cooperation.